Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So এই ভিডিওতে আমরা আবার আমাদের discussion continue করব with questions from the West Bengal Civil Service Examination General Studies paper. So again, before we continue, once again, ওই সব question গুলো যেগুলো আমরা discuss করবো এই ভিডিওতে, এগুলো সব previous year এর questions. So previously down the line across multiple years, এই questions গুলো এসছে আর এগুলো নিয়ে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়েছে. So I suggest you guys keep a note of all the important points in this regard, so that আপনারা যখন এইটা এই similar topics নিয়ে further down the line যখন study করবেন বা revision করবেন, these questions will come in very much handy for you. Okay, so having said that, আমরা focus করবো question number 116 থেকে and we'll carry it through to question number 119. So start করি 116. One of the problems in calculation of national income is India correctly is, so national income India যখন calculate করা এখানে main problem যেটা India face করে এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে 1 underemployment, 2 inflation, 3 non-monetized consumption and 4 low saving. So এখানে right answer হচ্ছে গিয়ে inflation. Inflation is a major problem in calculating national income. As inflation rapidly surges, the national income erodes and it becomes difficult to assess the real national value or income value. Okay, so option 2 will be the right answer, inflation. Next আমরা move করবো 117 এ. India's wage policy is based on, so Indian wage policy basically কোন প্যারামিটার উপরে বেস করা আছে? Option 1 cost of living, option 2 standard of living, option 3 productivity and option 4 none of the above. So এখানে আমাদের answer হবে standard of living. India's wage policy is based on standard of living of masses. The objective of wage policy in India is to rationalize inter-occupational and inter-industrial and inter-regional wage differentials in such a way that disparities are reduced in a phased manner. To ensure reduction of disparities of wages and salaries between the private and the public sector in a phased manner. Okay, so basically standard of living নিয়ে পুরোটাকে বেস করা হয়েছে. Okay, so with that said, now we'll be moving to 180. The most important source of capital formation in India has seen, so capital formation India সবচেয়ে বড় সোর্স এটা কোনটা দেখা গেছে, তো এটাই আমরা ডিসকাস করব এই কোশ্চেনে. Household savings, public sector savings, government revenue surpluses and option 4 corporate savings. So সবচেয়ে বড় সোর্স যেটা আমরা দেখেছি এটা হচ্ছে কি household savings এর capital formation. So household saving is the most important capital formation source in India. Household saving corresponds to total income saved by household during certain period of time. Savings in investment banks, stocks, market, post office schemes, company deposits, etc. are considered as financial assets or financial saving. Investment in properties, real estate, gold, silver, etc. physical savings are or physical assets. Okay, so this is all about the capital formation savings in general. So for last question আমরা চলে যাচ্ছি, that is 119. When the Reserve Bank of India increases the cash reserve or CRR reserve ratio, so Reserve Bank CRR or cash reserve ratio টাকে কখন increase করে? So option 1 when Indian economy have high rate of inflation, option 2 when Indian economy has low rate of inflation, option 3 demand of goods and services is low and option 4 none of the above. So একটু আমরা ডিটেইলে দেখে নিব. Cash reserve ratio or CPR is a specified minimum fraction of total deposits of customer which commercial banks have to hold as reserves either in cash or as deposits with the central bank. CRR is set according to the guidelines of the bank, a central bank of the country. The cash reserve ratio CRR is increased by the RBI when there is a high inflation in the economy to suck out necessary liquidity. ঠিক আছে, so আমাদের correct option যেতে হবে option 1. So basically to suck out unnecessary liquidity, so liquidity and unnecessary liquidity সরানোর জন্য এটাকে করা হয়. Okay, so with that said we have covered all the 4 questions pertaining to the video itself. So hopefully আপনারা এই সব important জিনিসগুলোকে নোট করে নিয়েছেন. So what I'll suggest to you guys is basically go through the video. Video initial point e প্রত্যেকটা question along with the answers যেগুলো ডিসকাস করা হচ্ছে important points kindly please make a note so that future যখন আমরা এই টপিক নিয়ে স্টাডি করবেন, so it will come in very handy. Okay, with all that said, যদি আপনার ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে then please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all this said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.